Hello lovelies, welcome back for another video. So today I'm giving you all the tea on the new Fenty beauty products, the Pro Filter concealer and the instant retouch setting powder. Now the Pro Filter concealer, I got the shade 340. Yes, it's very light, but when I highlight, I like for my highlight to speak for itself. You know, I want you to see me when I walk through the doors. Okay, now let's quickly talk about the concealer. She has 50 shades. Yes, you heard it right, 50 shades, guys. Rihanna is always going above and beyond, okay? And I'm here for it. Now the concealer I normally use is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I love the consistency of that concealer, particularly because it's like, you know, it runs like watery kind of. But this concealer, however, is very thick and you gotta work fast with it. Now let's talk about the Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I got the shade Honey, and let's just talk about this packaging. Yeah, this packaging is so sleek yet so nice and cute. I love it. But anyways, I use this powder to set my face before I apply my foundation. I kind of use it as a primer. It just helps, you know, with the oil because my face is very oily. So I like to do this step now because before I would use like a primer. I run out of my primer for now, so that's why I'm using the powder. But the powder works just fine. I love it. One thing I realized about the concealer is that you gotta work fast, as I said, but also make sure your sponge is very wet, is very drenched in water, so that way it's easier for you to like blend everything out. I really love the setting powder. This is in Honey. Yo, oh my god, it just reminds me of my banana of this one. Is the Sasha Buttercup, but just a tad bit better, and it smells good. I love this one.